Hello, my name is Salome Ranson, and today I'll be showing a program that I built this week. It is a company profile generator. And so to start the program, you want to type in npm start. Of course, you want to make sure that all of the dependencies are installed, and then, type in npm start. And you'll be presented with a few questions that you'll need to answer to build your team. The first question is, what is the team manager's name? And I'll type in Jane Doe for now. She'll be the team manager. The team manager's employee ID is the second question. So for now, we'll put in 01. What is the manager's email address is the third question. So we'll do jdoe@gmail.com. And the fourth question for the manager is, what is the manager's office number? You put that in there. And next, you'll be prompted to add additional employees. So you have the option to add an engineer, and you have the option to add an intern. And based on the decision that you make here, you'll be presented with different questions. So if you want to add an engineer, we'll click engineer, and the program will prompt you to enter the engineer's name. So today I'll be the engineer, and my employee ID will be 02. My email address will be salome@gmail.com. And this is specific to the engineer. It will ask for the engineer's GitHub username. So I'll enter my GitHub username. And you're done with the engineer. Now, of course, you have the option to add an additional engineer if you would like to add more. But for the sake of the video, we'll add an intern now. And what is the intern's name? We'll say Joe Smith is the intern. What is the intern's employee ID? We'll say 03. And what is the intern's email address? We'll say jsmith@gmail.com. And what is the name of the intern's school? I'll say Georgia Tech for now. And again, you have the option to add additional employees. You can decide if you want to add more engineers or if you want to add more interns. And if you decide you don't want to add any more employees, you can click I am finished building my team. And you'll see here that it says, please find your company profile at index.html and success. So if I click on index.html, my HTML page is generated with the input that I gave the program. And so I'll show you what that looks like. Let's go live. And this is the HTML page that was generated from the program. You have your manager here, Jane Doe, the engineer, that's me, Salome Ranson, and you have the intern, Joe Smith. So the manager will have the employee ID and email just like the engineer and intern. But for the manager, you get the phone number. For the engineer, specific to the engineer, you get the GitHub username. And if you click on that, it should open a new tab that brings you to that user's GitHub page. In this case, it was mine. Also with these emails, if you click on any one of these emails, it should open the default email provider. So I'll just test that out and see if, and that came on a different screen. Let me show you, it opened up my default email provider here. So I can send an email and, it'll go to the email address that's provided here. So that was just a quick demonstration of the company profile generator. Again, an HTML page was generated based on input provided via the command line. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.